ready for a high-energy countdown as we dive into the best radiator stop leaks and find out which options actually seal leaks fast and keep your cooling system happy. From quick fixes you can pour in to more advanced sealant formulas, this list covers the essentials you need to know. Today, I'm going to be going over the best radiator stop leaks that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the K Seal SD55-1. This compact, ready-to-use additive is designed to travel through the cooling system and locate cracks or gaps in components such as the radiator, heater core, gasket seams, and the water pump housing. Formulation is a dual-component ceramic sealant that droplets into the coolant and circuits and cures when heated, forming a flexible, permanent seal that resists pressure fluctuations, vibration, and thermal cycling. Main advantage is its universal compatibility with most coolants and metals, including aluminum, cast iron, steel, and copper. It is known for being able to seal leaks up to a diameter that typical engine leaks present under normal operating conditions. It does not require special tools beyond pouring from the bottle into a cold engine with the system cooled. No radiator removal or disassembly is required in most cases. It is compatible with conventional green coolant and extended life formulations. It won't foam excessively and won't corrode internal metal surfaces during long-term use. Users typically see results within a few hours as the sealant circulates through the cooling loop. Under light leaks, even a 15 to 60-minute heating cycle can help accelerate sealing, though larger leaks may take longer or require array evaluation. In practice, this product is a workhorse for the home mechanic who wants a non-invasive fix that can buy time before a permanent repair is pursued. It also includes anti-corrosion inhibitors and rust inhibitors to protect metal surfaces in the cooling loop, reducing the risk of galvanic corrosion that could be triggered by some other stop leak technologies. Engines with aluminum components, the careful balance of solvents and particulates aims to minimize the chance of clogging the radiator cores while maintaining good flow. The approach is preventative in many cases. Adding K Seal SD55-1 after a minor crack is detected can prevent leakage from worsening while you arrange for a proper diagnosis. Careful reading of the product directions is essential, especially regarding the exact coolant mix ratios and the need to run the engine for a period after introduction to allow full circulation. Packaging is compact for quick home use, and the formula remains stable at room temperatures until poured into the reservoir or radiator neck, depending on the design of the vehicle. Experienced hobbyists note that the best results come from a moderately warmed engine and a coolant that is not under high pressure, ensuring the circulation path opens for the sealant to interact with the leak site. Comparisons to other sealants sometimes highlight differences in viscosity, cure time, and compatibility with hybrid or diesel cooling systems. But overall, the K Seal SD55-1 provides a robust option for many common leaks and a strong first step toward a long-term repair. Compared to the BlueDevil radiator and block sealer, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the K Seal SD55-1 tends to be the faster route for quick top-ups when a leak appears, and it often requires less system prep, though BlueDevil may offer a stronger long-term seal on some brittle gasket. At number 4, we have the BlueDevil radiator and block sealer. This product takes a slightly different approach by using a ready-to-circulate sealant that works with the entire cooling system, including radiators, heater cores, and even leaking head gaskets in some cases. BlueDevil is designed to be pumped into the cooling system through the radiator cap while the system is cool, then it circulates with the coolant as the engine warms. Once circulated, the sealant forms a flexible plug at the leak site, which can handle pressure fluctuations and the heat stress of continuous operation. Formulation is advertised as compatible with most coolant types, including conventional green, long life, and even the newer extended life mixes with organic acids. Key advantage is its emphasis on forming a long-lasting, resin-like seal at the source of the leak, with the aim of restoring pressure capacity without requiring mechanical repairs. Technicians and DIY enthusiasts appreciate the ability to address leaks in radiators, intake or exhaust manifolds, and heater cores in a non-invasive manner. The product is reported to work best when leaks are in the 1/16" to 1/8" range, but many users have seen effects on smaller fractures or softened gasket seams as the sealant circulates under normal driving cycles. In addition, BlueDevil carries anti-corrosion ingredients to minimize new metal exposure and to protect aluminum components often present in modern cooling systems. The need to flush or pre-clean the system is sometimes recommended to improve the chance of a successful seal, though the solution is designed to work with little prep in many consumer scenarios. Using BlueDevil requires attention to the engine temperature window. If the coolant is near normal temperature, it is easier for the sealant to find the leak and fill the gap before solidifying. This product is particularly popular with drivers who prefer a more permanent-looking fix that remains removable if a permanent repair becomes necessary, since some users report a careful pressure test confirming the seal after a few days of driving. Comparison with the number 5 option shows BlueDevil can deliver a slightly more durable barrier in some cases, but it may be less forgiving of severe leaks or blocked passages than a product designed for rapid entry into the entire cooling loop. Compared to the K Seal SD55-1, the BlueDevil approach emphasizes a longer cure and a broader claim of sealing capacity, with an emphasis on a durable, flexible seal rather than a quick, low, eccentrically sized fix. At number 3, we have the generic epoxy glue. This item is a classic adhesive solution repurposed for temporary radiator leak control and structural repairs inside the cooling system. While it is not a dedicated coolant sealant, a high-quality epoxy glue can be used to repair minor cracks in radiator tanks, plastic end caps, or valve covers that surround the coolant channels if the leak is small and access is feasible. Epoxy glue is valued for its exceptional bond strength and chemical resistance once cured, and the right formulation can resist high temperatures typical of engine cooling environments for certain periods. The application requires careful surface prep, cleaning, roughening the surface to create an anchor, and following the curing time exactly, often 24 hours or more, to achieve a reliable seal. In many cases, epoxy glue is used as a temporary fix during a field repair when a proper radiator replacement or heater core service is not immediately possible. It is important to note that epoxy is not designed to circulate through the cooling system, so it will not travel to the leak site on its own like a true stop leak does. Rather, it acts as a patch from the outside or on the internal surfaces where accessible, stabilizing the area enough to prevent catastrophic loss while a permanent service is arranged. Advantages include a strong bond to metal and plastic, good heat resistance, and a relatively low cost. The disadvantages center on the need for cooling down the engine to perform the repair safely, the risk of blocking coolant flow if the glue oozes into passages, and the limited longevity when exposed to continuous thermal cycling. A small-scale radiator crack that is clearly exposed and accessible, epoxy glue can be an attractive option, but it should be considered a last resort rather than a normal maintenance solution. Compared to the number 5 option, which uses a circulating sealant to travel with coolant, epoxy glue does not travel and cannot seal leaks in hidden channels. Its effectiveness depends on precise placement and curing, which makes it less convenient for typical driving scenarios. Compared to the number 4 option, epoxy glue is less likely to provide a long-term barrier against ongoing leaks and is more of a localized, targeted repair rather than a system-wide solution. At number 2, we have the Red Angel 222. This stop leak conditioner is formulated to condition and seal porous walls and micro cracks throughout the cooling system, while minimizing the risk of clogging or foaming in the radiator, heater core, or engine block. Red Angel 222 is designed to mix with the coolant and circulate with the liquid as the engine runs, forming a soft, flexible film at the location of leaks that hardens into a durable barrier. Chemistry emphasizes compatibility with most antifreeze formulations and metals common in modern cars, including aluminum, copper, and steel. One of the hallmarks of Red Angel is its focus on protecting the cooling system from additional corrosion and rust, with inhibitors that help preserve the longevity of the metal surfaces. Long-term use typically requires driving the vehicle for several cycles to allow the product to reach all corners of the cooling loop and to interact with any micro fissures that may appear under pressure. Users should avoid mixing Red Angel with incompatible chemicals or using it in vehicles with known mechanical failures that require immediate replacement. In such cases, the results can be unpredictable. Red Angel 222 is positioned as an economical option that can handle small leaks and moderate seepage, with the promise of restoring cooling capacity without the immediate cost of a professional repair. Its ease of use, compact packaging, and proven track record with many enthusiasts and shop technicians contribute to its popularity as a first-line fix for leaks that threaten overheating or loss of coolant. In evaluating results, some drivers report that the seal forms quickly in ideal conditions, but may take longer with older leaks or leaks in more angular channels. Key to success is ensuring the engine reaches a stable operating temperature and remains under this condition long enough for the product to seal. Sometimes a short throbbing between running and idling helps the seal to form more completely. Paired to the number 5 option, Red Angel 222 offers a lower cost and a simpler application process, but it may require more driving cycles to achieve the same level of sealing, and its seal may be less robust against higher system pressures. Paired to the number 1 option, the K Seal SD35-1, Red Angel emphasizes easier dispensing and a more forgiving formulation for beginners seeking a quick check of the cooling system without messing with the entire capacity. At number 1, we have the K Seal SD35-1. This trusted stop leak additive is designed for broad usage in cooling systems that exhibit minor leaks in radiators, heater cores, and head gaskets, often providing a reliable seal with less downtime than a full mechanical repair. Formula is engineered to circulate with the coolant, locating leaks as the engine heats and the coolant flows, then slowly swelling a flexible seal that can tolerate temperature swings and pressure variations without becoming brittle. K Seal SD35-1 supports a wide range of coolant chemistries, including conventional greens, extended life ethylene glycol mixes, and silicate-free formulations. It is widely compatible with aluminum blocks and iron components, making it a versatile choice for mixed age and mixed metal engines. The product is known for not requiring a flush prior to use in many cases, which helps reduce downtime and ensures that even a leaking heater core or gasket does not immediately thwart daily transportation. Packaging is compact and portable, enabling quick top-ups and easy transport for a roadside backup. Many users appreciate the clear, straightforward instructions that lead to prompt results, especially when a leak is minor and easily accessible through accessible coolant ports. Sealing process can begin within minutes of engine startup as the product mixes with the coolant, with the most noticeable improvement appearing after continued operation under normal driving conditions that promotes circulation. Main trade-offs include that severe leaks or damaged components still require professional service, and in some engines, the additive can create a clinging residue if overused. Consistent monitoring of coolant level and temperature is advised after installation to ensure the system remains sealed and to guard against over or underfilling. Paired to the number 2 option, which uses a stronger conditioning approach with the Red Angel 222, the K Seal SD35-1 offers a more universal sealing strategy across various materials and temperatures, but it can be somewhat less forgiving for stubborn leaks than products that target specific leak sites.